thumbs up. I give a thumbs up so often. I can listen to Baby Shark and Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today is a cold and not so nice day. It's real classic stuff here. We're getting the truck upgraded. Yes, sir. The truck is going to a local company here. I think they're local. DES. They're local to me. I'm not traveling far to do it. And it's getting an upgrade. It's getting a head unit. It's getting remote start. It's getting a backup camera. Just stuff that like comes standard on almost all vehicles nowadays. But my 2005 Toyota Tundra doesn't have it. So after today, it will. Okay, so right now we just got your basic plain old Jane old Toyota interior head unit, straight from the factory. No Bluetooth, no nothing. CD player, tape deck. Who even does that anymore? Just standard Toyota stuff. And there's nothing wrong with it, but I don't listen to CDs anymore. I don't have any cassettes anymore. And my phone doesn't have a headphone jack, so I can't do one of those old school cassettes with the wire that plugs into your phone. So I'm super excited about this. It's really just going to make usability, daily driverability, it's going to make it easier to use and more fun, and I can jam to some tunes, and me and my daughter, when I take her to school, can just really rock and roll. And the backup camera is going to help, because I mean, it's not the K cars. It's a bit bigger. So I'm excited. Let's go. Gas is $2.99 for y'all people who live in California. I'm so sorry. All right, here we are. Oh, that's a handicap spot. Can't park in a handicap spot. Okay. I don't know that I'm going to be able to get out of here because that truck's pretty close. But we're parked up at DES. I'm going to go in, chat with them, get some paperwork done, and they're going to take care of this thing. They're going to have us looking pretty, driving safer, and bumping to some tunes. Okay. I'll see you when it's done. Dude, this is great. I love this stuff. Look at this backup camera. You got to see this backup camera. Look at that. I mean, that is some high quality aftermarket stuff. I mean, that right there looks factory, right? Tell me that's not factory. 2005 Toyota Tundra with a factory backup camera in the tailgate handle. Come on, son. That is great. The stuff up front, just as great. I mean, look at this. Oh, get up in here. Look at that. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. I got myself a beautiful Bluetooth head unit. It's got satellite, regular radio, Bluetooth audio. I can make phone calls. Look at that. There's a mic up there. I mean, this is great. This is some high-tech stuff. Some high-techery in here. I love it. I couldn't be happier. I maintained controls on the steering wheel. It just makes everyday driving this thing beautiful. Listen to podcasts, listen to my Baby Shark. Baby Shark. I'm gonna stop. It's great. It's so good. Like 10 out of 10 would recommend upgrade your audio system. It is wonderful. And look at this. Remote start. Remote start, keyless entry. I already had keyless entry, but remote start. It has brought my perfect truck to that above perfect level. It's been great. Thank you, DES. It's so good. I love it. Let's go. Phase 2. Taking the truck to get a new steering wheel. It's very bright. So, in keeping with the usability, the daily driverability, the enjoyment of my daily driver, we're getting the steering wheel replaced. Not the whole thing. They're gonna take it off, rewrap it. It's gonna be beautiful. So, if you can see, it's quite worn out on the top. So, we're gonna get that fixed. I'm so happy to be getting the steering wheel replaced. It'll just make driving that much more enjoyable without this roughness here on the top. Have to hold my hand like down here. These are real like crybaby things, right? But it's really gonna make me drive this and not think about the things that are wrong with it. And so I am very happy to be dropping it off and getting that taken care of. So much better. I don't even know if you can tell. Look at that. Oh yeah. Not dirty, not full of bumps and ridges, and I mean, that's gorgeous. That is way better. I am so happy with that. These guys knocked it out of the park. Great customer service. I appreciate it tremendously. This is incredible. This is going to make driving this truck just that much better. I'm not going to have to worry about how this nasty the steering wheel felt in my hand. Excellent. I love it.